I'm a Network Operations Center engineer responsible for keeping a complex 4G telecom network running smoothly. Using Mycom's AI-powered AInsights, I can spot and diagnose network anomalies without needing any data science expertise. The intelligence is built right in. I start my day by checking AInsights alarm page for anomalies and related PBF alarms. Filtering by the 4G KPI, I see an open alarm indicating users may have trouble accessing data services. I drill into the details to find which network elements, or MOIs, are impacted. This table shows information on the impacted MOIs, KPI degradation, KPI anomaly score, AS, and the reported time. In this case, multiple MOIs are impacted, but one MOI, APN 83, has a high KPI degradation. I investigate further by looking for any PBF, problem behavioral fingerprint alarms. Let's do this now. Expanding the PBF alarms, I see one, with the root cause run out of dynamic IP, indicating the IP pool may be exhausted and needs expansion. AInsights identify this through pattern-based RCA, matching the KPI problem signature with patterns derived from network data. Let's now dive into each alarm to see how they were triggered in the PMU navigation tree. Each predictive monitoring unit, or PMU, is linked to a set of MOIs, and each MOI is linked to its KPIs. In the PMU navigation tree, I can see all PMUs configured in the system. They can be set up for any geographical area or a specific service. In my system, there are PMUs for monitoring APNs, the RAM, IPX for voice services, 8SS for data services, and voice over LTE for outbound promos. Let's check. With a single click on the PMU, I get the list of MOIs it monitors. I filter for APN 83, select it, and see its associated KPIs. Clicking here brings up the prediction chart, showing the anomaly score, AS, at KPI level, and the aggregated anomaly score, AAS, at both MOI and PMU levels. I notice a developing anomaly. The network's observed data is deviating from the forecasted values. On the graph, the blue line shows the predicted values generated by AInsights machine learning model each midnight based on historical trends, with the shaded area representing the confidence band. The green line represents actual KPI readings from the network, updated every 60 minutes. AInsights refreshes this chart hourly, recalculating the anomaly score, AS, at the KPI level and the aggregated anomaly score, AAS, at both MOI and PMU levels. Here's how. The anomaly score at KPI level is computed using the forecasted value, the upper and lower confidence band limits, and past anomaly score values, smoothing out short-term spikes or noise. Once each KPI's anomaly score is calculated, the system takes an exponential average across all KPIs for that MOI, producing the MOI level aggregated anomaly score. The same process runs again across all MOIs to calculate the PMU level aggregated anomaly score. With this approach, AInsights significantly reduces the mean time to identify, pinpointing issues well before alarms are triggered. Now, let's look at the PBF alarm. With a single click, I see the list of MOIs. I filter for APN 83 to open its PBF graph. This chart contains multiple plots, one for each of the two KPIs included in this PBF. Each graph shows observed network data for that KPI, and AInsights generates a probability distribution chart for each KPI, along with an aggregated probability distribution at the MOI level. Let me hide the graphs and walk through it step by step. I enable the legend, and the observed data forms a pattern similar to the one seen earlier in the prediction chart. Next, I enable the second KPI and see the pattern it forms. When I select this, its probability distribution chart shows values crossing the threshold, confirming a pattern match for this KPI. The second KPI's chart shows the same, a high probability distribution indicating a detected pattern match. Finally, enabling the MOI legend reveals the aggregated probability distribution at MOI level, which has breached the PBF configured threshold. With Mycom's AInsights, I can pinpoint issues faster by combining the probability distributions of individual KPIs into a clear, aggregated view at the MOI, or PMU level. And with its powerful pattern-based root cause analysis, I cut mean time to repair dramatically, turning complex network problems into quick, confident resolutions.